So, that was Jansenville.
And it's a fantastic town.
I'm
love it.
really impressed, Really impressed, especially how clean it is.
And a lot of variety, a lot of history, nice architecture.
Yeah, really
it.
enjoyed it. Thanks, Jansenville. Now, we've just left Jansenville and we are heading in the direction of Kalkkop. But as I mentioned earlier, we want to see if we can find that Kalkkop Crater where the meteor landed or crashed into the earth. Now, yeah, it's going to be quite an exciting trip this, because it's into a lot of gravel road we're going to be traveling. It seems like it's about 35 to 40 kilometers from here, but let's see if we can find it.
Yes, let's do that.
I also just want to say that this crater is on private farmland, so all the websites we could find say that it's easy to get to, easily accessible, so hopefully we can get there. I've never seen something like that.
No, neither have I, but we can only try and find it.
Yeah.
Let's hope we're successful.
Yes. Check how the goats are going through that fence.
Wow.
And this is the road we've got to turn off to get to the crater.
Oh, okay.
So quickly. And there's Jansenville. So let's hope we find it pretty fast. Look at that stone wall structure over there.
It's a crawl.
Check out that stonework, not brickwork. It's incredible. Ground squirrels.
How do you know that without seeing whether their tails are bushy or thin?
Or are those meerkats? I can't see now.
No, but you were like fairly convinced that they were ground squirrels from the start.
Are they meerkats?
Are they?
Oh, meerkatjies. They are meerkats. So these are meerkats. They don't seem that scared. There's a few more come running in.
Yes, isn't that fantastic?
Those are meerkats. The tails are thin and upright. Look at them.
It's a whole little family, babe.
So cute.
Can you go closer?
No. I can try. Quality will go down a bit.
Cute man. What are they doing? Can you see?
I don't know. Look how pretty this is, eh? Wow.
Oh, it's gorgeous. And look how dense the vegetation, hey?
Incredible.
It is incredible.
We're driving along some river and I'll check just now to see what the name is.
Okay.
But it is absolutely amazing. And I have to watch for the big boulders in the road.
Yes. Very rocky here.
Yeah, it's a nice rough road. Yeah, we're crossing the little river.
Which is but a riverbed at this point.
At this stage. Gone through it again.
Crisscross.
How's this kudu staring at me?
How gorgeous.
Amazing.
But we stopped for 2 dussies. We would never have seen her.
Definitely. She's only keeping her eye on me big time, eh?
How gorgeous.
Fantastic. Look at those ears.
Beautiful.
Heavy rocky road we're going down. Wow.
Yeah, eh? Rocks of all shapes and sizes.
Yep.
He said there's a rock that he would like to remove first. There appear to have been 2.
This is incredible. Check at this. Wow.
Well, luckily they made the road where they made it, otherwise we would have had a problem.
Exactly.
Unbelievable amount of rocks here.
Yeah, that's why they make all their kraals with these rocks.
Free building material.
Exactly. Take what you get.
That was definitely a ground
Definitely a
squirrel.
ground squirrel. Yeah. Gone into the hole. Did you see him just disappear? The
I
one?
did.
I was just going to move the camera and then he came running out, so I got a bit of him.
Good. Yeah, there's actually a distinct difference as soon as one can see their tail.
Yes.
See their tail.
Yep. So our little vehicle ain't gonna get through this. There's no way. It's not wide enough. Our wheels are too close together to span this distance, so, and it's just gonna create a major issue for us all the way through there. And there's a gate at the end there, so, and we're about 2 kilometers from the crater. So I just want to go up here and see what it looks like at the top here. This looks more like a dam wall or something. Yeah. Unless this is the crater. You'd never know, eh? Looks more like a man-made dam wall. Yeah, this is the end of the road. It's a pity. So wanted to see that crater. Let's see if I can go down here without falling. So we met a farmer and he told us about the crater, and he said that the crater's on private ground and we can't get to it. So unfortunately that's now a no-no. And he just showed us a different route to get out of here. He says it's a lot better than the road we took here. It was interesting talking to the farmer, and he explained to me about the crater. Apparently it's about 250 million years old, and it's like calcium deposits are in this crater. Well, it's in the soil. So now when it rains, this calcium becomes as hard as cement, and then it's layer upon layer over the millions of years as this formed. And apparently universities have come to study it and drill down. And I think he mentioned the University of Cape Town. They came and they drilled, or was it the University of Cape Town? Some university, maybe even from America or somewhere, came and they drilled down and get these core samples, and they found a perfectly shaped butterfly inside this one core sample.
Wow.
And now that core sample, they can date it. They haven't got the dates yet. They're getting back to him still with the dates, and those dates are apparently much older than the 250 million years that they say. So we'll have to wait for that answer. That I found very interesting.
I'm just happy you got to talk to someone who knows, the information about the crater.
Exactly, and the core samples that he's got there, it's incredible.
Really?
See how snow white it is. He says that he's born and raised on this farm. So what he says, the first time he ever went to a dentist was when he was 32 years old. He says because of all the calcium in the... I just want to cross this. There we go. Yeah. He went 32 years old. He went for the dentist for the first time because of all the calcium in the water.
You're not serious.
He says they farm with ostriches. There's so much calcium in the water that after 42 days they have to go and break the eggs for the little chicks to hatch. Otherwise they can't get out.
Come on.
Yeah. The eggshells are so hard because of the calcium.
That is unbelievable.
Amazing. Aberdeen's the direction we're going, and apparently we've got to hang a left here immediately.
Oh yes, here's the station.
Yeah.
Marais station.
Is it?
I love the station building.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it's Marais.
Marais Station.
Yes.
There's Marais Station. Totally dilapidated, like most of the stations nowadays.
They're so habitable for me. They just deserted.
Exactly. Very interesting.
Now how to
Now we turn left here.
Alright. So all these directions are panning out.
All these directions are panning out. We take Aberdeen Road, not Aberdeen.
Oh really?
Yes.
Okay, that's interesting.
The farmer told us that it's going to start raining at about 5, and it's 4 minutes past 4 now, and there's a few drops falling on the windshield. So they well know their weather around here.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we weren't very successful in getting to the crater, but I must say we got a very good second best when we met that farmer who gave us all the fantastic information about it. And it wouldn't have helped us going to the crater in any case because it's filled up now with all the calcium deposits. It's filled up. He says you can't really see it anymore.
Over the years. He actually says it's a hill now.
Yeah.
More, it's not an indent, it's a hill.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, that was really interesting though.
Took us on some nice new gravel roads.
Exactly.
So let's try and look at it that way.
I enjoyed the roads. We got to see that beautiful kudu.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So that's it for the Kalkkop Crater.
Mission.
Accomplished.
Failed.
Failed. There's a monkey. Mission failed, yeah.
Mission failed.